Daniel passes by my house every day on his way home from work. He should be here any minute.
Okay. Have you heard the news?
No, Daniel, I've never heard of the news.
No, this is serious. Listen. There's not an economic panic, nor the beginning of a world war. This is serious. There is a school being constructed. It's supposedly only for rich boys who have never worked a day in their life. How terrible!
Daniel, what's the name?
The mascot is an eagle, coincidentally similar to our falcon, but falcons are mightier, strong.
What's the name of the school?
Sorry. The name of such school is St. John's Preparatory. The Eagles. Actually, the prep.
St. John's, we all fear the man they call Richard. Eat bomb for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Here at the prep, causing traffic jams on Spring Street. More fancy dodgeball and swim meets. Here at St. John's Prep, the prep.
It's a great day to be an eagle.
I am such a proud father of my son, Nick Valonis. It's a shame that my daughter, Athena, is unable to attend such a prestigious program. Athena, come here.
No, Dad, you know I can't talk to Nick anymore. I hate everything about that school. I'm not a boy, so obviously I had to go to Danvers High School, and it's just so hard to fit in there because everyone knows that my brother and my dad are prep alumni. Like, I don't have any friends. I can't even get a boyfriend no matter how hard I try, and my reputation is just destroyed for good.
The only downfall of being a prep eagle is losing the ones you love to Danvers High School. Athena was the best sister in the world, but we haven't talked since I enrolled in the prep. I just don't understand. The prep doesn't understand why this hatred exists.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone.
It's too bad she has connections with the prep. She would totally fit into our friend group.
Alina, that would be risking way too much. If we did that, our boyfriends would break up with us.
True. Want to get coffee and a bagel?
Yeah.
We're gonna pick up with the,
Mr. White, I'm sorry I'm late.
yeah, you're 30 seconds late. Why would you come to my class without a pass late?
I'm sorry, Sarah and Elena aren't even here.
Yeah, that's the prep bloodline, you know, just coming out again. Once again, you have this entitled sense that you can come in whenever you want. According to the prep handbook, if you're 1 second late, then you have a Saturday detention. So I'm gonna write you up because you go by their handbook, not ours. So the reason I have to continue to put Athena in place is because she has this connection with the prep. Her whole family wanted her to go there, but obviously she can't. So they sent her here to contaminate DHS with her prep pride, and she needs to be put in check sometimes. Today we're going to work on our essays. DHS is the best, the argumentative essay that you guys are creating.
Oh, hey, sorry, The line at the cafe was just really long today, so we're just a little late.
Oh, no worries, no worries. I just want to make sure you guys have a good breakfast in the morning and take your time. Yeah, absolutely.
I like really hate Athena and the prep.
Oh my god, I know. Oh my god, hey Riley. Hey guys.
Why do you look so upset?
Oh my god.
Alright, so you know my best friend, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, Quinn, he's going to Danvers High School next year.
No.
He's such a
He's not though, he's going to the prep!
Oh my god.
Riley, do you know what this means?
I know, I just hate to see him go to those people. He's gonna wear khakis every day.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening right now.
I mean, like, I'm not rich and snotty and anything, but I've gone to Danvers my whole life, and as soon as I go to the prep for a better wrestling program, my best friend Riley just won't talk to me anymore, you know? And it's like that with all my friends from Danvers. They just up and don't talk to me anymore. I don't know what's up with that.
Hey man.
Hey, man.
Can I help you find your way around?
Yeah, I'm kind of lost and trying to see what's going on here, you know?
All right. Well, I mean, I can give you a little tour, but Danvers High gets out pretty soon, and it can get kind of dangerous. So I think we gotta go back inside.
Yeah. I used to have friends at Danvers High School.
We all did, man. Just get over it. They're gone.
OMG, I want to go to another prom.
Sarah, don't even think about it. Look what happened to Athena when she got involved with that school.
Ugh, but I already have a dress to wear and the venue is too nice. Park Plaza, haven't you heard?
Wait, did you say Park Plaza? That's like nicer than Danvers prom. Okay, we're going, but we have to follow protocol. Get out the handbook.
So basically, we hate the prep and everything, but I mean, prom is prom, and prep prom is so totally easy to get into. So, like, if we go, it's top secret, no pictures are released, and we tell Danvers boys that we're having a GNO, which is a girls' night out. I'll call him right now. Hey, so I can hang out on Friday? A bunch of girls are having a girls' night out. Doesn't that sound like fun? Okay, Elaine and I will meet you at Brothers on Saturday morning. Okay, sounds good. Bye. Illy. Night out. OMG, if our boyfriends knew, they would so totally break up with us.
Protocol is so important when going to a prep dance. Like, we have to follow it, but we still hate them and everything.
I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands, 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 brands. Give me some space for both my...
Hey, how was your GNO last night?
Actually, so fun. Right, Sarah? What did you guys do last night?
You know, the usual. Hung out at Goodies, Supremes. No Eagles were out last night. They were at their stupid prom.
Yeah, that's so totally weird. I bet they can't even get a date.
Yeah, so weird.
Hey, are those Danvers girls over there? They were at prom last night, right?
Yeah, dude, we took a picture with them.
Oh, true, dude. We're savages. I'm gonna go talk to them.
Be careful, those Danvers boys bite.
All right. Okay. Hey, Sarah and Elena, right? I saw you guys at prep prom last night. We took a picture, remember?
Oh God.
What's your deal, bro?
Let's do it.
Why do you hate the prep?
Look at him. Look at him.
I look fantastic.
That is a very nice American Eagle
Thank you.
little
Thank you.
Disgusting.
Thank you. Nobody from the prep does that.
You are so gross. I hate you.
Okay, and
Okay, can we just go? Can we go through his wardrobe, please? Can we please, like, go back to your house and go through your wardrobe?
Can we settle this with sports?